Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see.
Hey my chocolate cupcakes, hope you are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can do a really nice clean makeup look. I've been seeing this clean makeup trend for like over a while now, and I thought why not just give it a shot, because me too do like a clean look on my day-to-day basis. So I'm going to show you my version of clean look but a little bit elevated. So without further ado, let's just get started. I'm gonna use is his iconic illuminating highlighter. This highlighter is one of my favorites and you will know in quite a bit. You can see right here, you can see like, oh my god, you just need to blend it properly. The glow it gives is phenomenal. Look at that, and look at this side and look at this side. You can see how illuminating it is. It's just beautiful. It comes in 3 variants. The one is bronze, the one is silver, and the other is slightly golden, which the 3 of them are my favorite. You can use them for day, night or anything. They are waterproof so they don't go anywhere. I'm gonna use a foundation because I don't like very heavy look on my face, just a little bit of coverage and that's it. But you can definitely go on for a foundation if you love that, but for me I don't like to use that. I'm gonna spray a little bit of setting spray and just blend it out. It gives you a very sheer coverage. You can see the coverage is not full, but I think for a clean look this just is perfect. Also, the BB cream comes in 3 different shades, so if you are a dark skin girl, maybe you can struggle a bit. For concealer, I'm just gonna use the Fit Me concealer. This doesn't have a very good coverage, but it has a medium to buildable coverage, I guess. Not full, but buildable a little bit. So you can see right here, but it's really hydrating. It's not drying. So this is the thing I love about this. I'm not gonna 100% recommend this concealer because of the coverage, but if you're not a very crave for coverage and you want a very little coverage, or maybe a very average coverage, I guess, this is a perfect concealer for you. Now let's just quickly powder my face up. I'm just gonna use loose powder and the same beauty sponge. I'm just going to press my powder into my skin. You can see it gives you really nice look and really nice coverage. For that, I'm gonna use this Morphe X Jacqueline palette, and from that I'm just gonna use a very coral shade and just going to use it over here, a very subtle but very beautiful glow and very nice flush of color. You can see how blush really nicely enhances your look very effectively and very much gives you the flush of colors and the youthfulness. For my eyes, I'm gonna use my SFR palette. This is the favorite palette and this is a most common palette which I think everyone should have because it's very neutral and I think very day-to-day shades in it. So I love that. I'm just gonna quickly do very subtle, just gonna build my crease and that's it. Okay, so a quick backstory. This was a broken lipstick and I just filled it in a container because it was shimmery. It was a very shimmery golden lipstick. You can see this is how it looks like. So if you don't have that, you can definitely use a shimmery eyeshadow, but this looks very dewy and very natural glow. So I'm just gonna use this, but don't worry if you have that. If you don't have that, you can definitely use a glitter gloss or a glitter eyeshadow or like a liquid shimmery eyeshadow as well. This I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes because oh my god, this part scares me, like literally scares me. Not like I don't do it, but like on camera it just scares me. I'm gonna leave the links with the names in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, can we just appreciate this mascara? What I love about this mascara is that it gives you a very nice volume as well as length. But what I don't like about this mascara is that it's not waterproof. So if there is some, thing happened, you will be all like just your eye will look like it's swollen. Like it will not stay on for long. So I just don't recommend if you know that kind of girl who just cries maybe. To our brows, I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty brow soap and just gonna spray it with a setting spray. I'm not gonna fill my brows because that will be too much. I'm just gonna push my hairs very in a upward motion so that my face will look lifted and very put together. You can see it looks so good, like oh my god, it looks beautiful. I love that. Now on top of that gel, I'm gonna use this Faces Canada mascara. It is a little bit dried out, so it works perfect as a brow mascara with a little bit of black tint. Very little, like it's there but it's not there, but it works, so I love that. Okay, now moving on to our last step, which is our lips. I'm gonna use this very nude lipstick. I removed my lip balm. Just gonna use this very nude lipstick, and then on top of that I'm gonna use my lip balm. It's very like shimmery. It has very light shimmer particles which does not feel on the lips, but they are. The final look. I hope you guys have loved this video. It just looks very minimal and I love it. This looks very neutral and very dewy. I hope you guys have loved this video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can never miss an update. I genuinely think you will love this. If you do, please try it on and don't forget to tag me in your shorts or in your video